Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how you can view the rules of Spades. So let's get started. First of all, open the Spades app on your device. Now tap on the gear icon. Then scroll until you can find the rules option under the how to play section. Here, tap on the basic rules to find basic rules, general tips to get some tips, as well as rule summary. Finally, tap on done. And that's it. This is how you can view the basic rules, general tips, storm music, and rule summary on Spades. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.